Hello everyone! Welcome to our bedtime puzzle story. I've got a puzzle story of Teletubbies. A raining day. One day in Teletubby Land, Dipsy is walking on the hill. Suddenly, a cloud appears in the sky. The cloud rains on Dipsy. Uh-oh, says Dipsy. Laa-Laa is outside the home dome. Another cloud appears in the sky. The cloud rains on Laa-Laa. Uh-oh, says Laa-Laa. Paul is walking past her favorite tree. Then a cloud appears in the sky. The cloud rains on Paul. Uh-oh, says Paul. Tinky Winky is looking at a pretty flower. A cloud appears in the sky. The cloud rains on Tinky Winky. Uh-oh, says Tinky Winky. The Teletubbies are all together. A huge cloud appears and it starts to rain. The Teletubbies run home. Rain, rain, run away, said the Teletubbies. After all that running around, it's time for a snack. Tubby toast, said the Teletubbies. The Teletubbies eat the toast very quickly. All gone, said the Teletubbies. The Nunu clears up all the crumbs. The Teletubbies go back outside to play. The Teletubbies love raining days. And the Teletubbies love each other very much. Big hug, say the Teletubbies. Bye-bye. Do you enjoy the story about Teletubbies in a raining day? Don't you think they're so cute? Now it's time for you to go sleep, baby. Close your eyes. I will read you more bedtime puzzle stories soon. Sweet dream, baby. Shh.